No solvents, no biocides, no VOCs. Hydraulic lime in its pure state is undeniably a healthy, natural building material. The product's special composition allows the mortar product to breathe and permits constant hygrometric exchange between the substrate and the environment, an essential quality for the restoration of old buildings. It's believed lime has been used in construction for more than 6,000 years. The lasting ruins of Egyptian, Greek and Roman structures are a testament to its durability. Over the last 40 years, lime has regained its reputation thanks to its natural properties and is now widely used for the renovation of old buildings, ecological new builds, restoration and preservation work, thankfully replacing the use of cement. Cement-based mortars are too strong and they're not breathable. This makes them unsuitable for renovation and conservation purposes. But what are the advantages of using NHL-based mortars over cement-based mortars? The manufacture of limes, or NHLs, consumes less energy and produces less greenhouse gases than that of Portland cement per unit weight. Walls built with lime-based mortars have improved breathability to water and water vapour. This reduces the likelihood of frost failure and improves the internal living environment. Walls have more tolerance to movement caused by thermal and moisture action, while movement within masonry walls can be accommodated in the individual bed joints between the masonry units, reducing the need for vertical movement joints. Also, did you know that lime-based mortars are capable of self-healing microscopic cracks by plastic flow and diffusion? They're less susceptible to sulfate attack, providing all-round consistently high-quality results. From a design perspective, lime-based mortars also offer a range of advantages. They have excellent fire ratings and it is unrivaled in its durability. The SMET range includes NHL in grades 2, 3.5 and 5. Each grade is designed for specific types of masonry and exposure conditions. But don't worry, we'll help you choose a grade that is both compatible with the masonry, highly durable and will ensure the perfect fit for your job. For example, the moderate hydraulic strength development of SMET NHL 3.5 makes it suitable for producing lime mortars for masonry work like bedding, pointing, repointing, rendering, plastering base coats and limecrete. Did you know you can buy online or in-store nationwide at Haldane Fisher branches? Remember, think lime, think SMET.